Welcome, today we're going to show you how to buy crypto in Venmo. So if you open the app and you open your dashboard, I'll see from here, you will see this option from here. It says crypto. You need to just click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. It says buy crypto with little as $1. I'll see from here. From here, you will have only 4 options to buy crypto. It will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So in the time that you are watching this video, it might be more options, but this is the options right now in Venmo. Also from here, there's another section for learning crypto. Its name is Learn As You Go, so you can just see some small videos and learn more about crypto. After that, if you click on any of these coins, now from here you will see how the coin is doing in the last year, 24 hours, or whatever time that you want. Also, you can turn on price alerts, and you can click on buy to buy the Bitcoin. So from here on Venmo, you will see that buying cryptos. So if you bought $1 to buy any crypto coin from here, it will take a transaction fee. So in total, it will be a lot as see from here. So if I bought $1 of Bitcoin, it will be 1.5. And if you bought more like $100, it will be, the fee will be less overall. So I see from here, it will be 2.5 from here. So you can just buy from here, and from here you can also change the code that you are buying with by clicking on here. So that's it. That's how you buy crypto in Venmo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.